I'm Delia Barnard. I'm the mother of the two boys, Armand and Reinhard Barnard.
Ek is Nollies de Vries, waarnemende skoolhoof van Hoër Jongskool Parel. En dit is my voorreg om vandag oor Armand en Reinhard met julle te gesels.
Both the boys are now in America. The one is in Texas, Tyler Junior College, and the other one is in West Alabama. In the first few months they left, I was like, oh, just a rest and just coming back to myself. And then I really, really missed it. I really do miss them a lot.
Those two boys are my two sides, and that's why it's so amazing for me when I always interact with them. It's like always with Armand, it's serious stuff. It's academical. It's Jordan Peterson. It's theology. It's philosophy. Where Reinhard is just, you can speak to him about Rassi, and you can speak to him about the Proteas.
Hulle dieselfde pa en ma, so hulle behoort seker min of meer dieselfde seuns te wees, maar Armand en Reinhard verskil baie van mekaar. Seuns het baie potensiaal. Waar Armand nou meer 'n liedjieskrywer, 'n musikant is Reinhard aan die ander kant. Hy was 'n baie goeie sportman.
Ek sal sê hy is 'n dedicated sports guy. Hy is baie sportief.
Die laaste jare matriek het ek kom gehad in die geeskomitee. En ek dink dis ook 'n groot deel hoekom ek bly is deel van Reinhard se manewales. Ek my besig gehou.
The iSound 360, the way we got involved with them, me and him had a Zoom session with him. They asked him, why do you want to go and study in America? He said, it was always my dream to go and study in America. And I said, okay, you've said it. Now we're going to make this happen. And that's how the process started. And then we got very involved with Marco, which I love. He's an unbelievable guy.
In the first week he called me and said, Mommy, you won't believe it. The teachers is amazing. Amazing. And when I heard that, they was like, oh, he's got to make it.
Die rede om nou bietjie beter te doen as hoërskool, ek voel ek is bietjie half geïsoleer. Ek is op my eie. Ek het niks distractions nie as wat sin maak.
Armand het in die begin, die eerste 4 jaar van graad 8 tot graad 11, het Armand gesukkel om in te pas by Boys High. Maar ek dink toe hy in graad 11, dis wat eintlik wat die keerpunt, die omdraaipunt vir hom gekom het, toe hy drama as 'n vak geneem het. En sy drama-onderwyser, hoog aangeskrewe mevrou Viveras Pretorius, het baie tyd met Armand toe spandeer. En ek dink Armand het toe besef, dit is eintlik heel goed om anders te wees.
Hy's baie entoesiasties en hy bring sy energie so kom met interessanthede uit en skepende dinge uit, dat mens naderhand dink, jy vat dit nou in oordrewe trap, maar eintlik steek sy energie ou dan aan.
My drama-onderwyser is absoluut amazing. Dis nie vir albas nie, dink ek, soos die groot deel van my ontwikkeling as 'n mens, maar ook net as 'n kunstenaar sou nie so sterk gewees nie.
Armand was finishing his psychology degree at University of Stellenbosch. You struggle, especially with psychology, and he's a male. So he struggled to get into honours, and not even to get into honours is difficult, to get into masters, because in South Africa you can only be a psychologist if you got a master's in psychology, and that was just, it's just, you just don't get in. And then I phoned Marco, and he says, Peter, just leave it with me.
Ek is hier so in this small town universiteit, en dan actually small, iSound 360, ek is nie hierdie kon gedoen het as dit nie vir hulle was nie. iSound 360 het vir my hierdie amazing out of nowhere opportunity gegee om te kan smoothly transition van Universiteit van Stellenbosch na Amerikaanse universiteit toe en seker te maak dat ek veilig voel en voel as ek in die regte plek is. Baie Amerikaners, veral in Texas, die southern mense, hulle is baie nice en oop, so hulle include jou in hulle kultuur. So as ek kom by die kerk of kom by pelle maak, is dit baie maklik.
And they know they can anytime come back. I want them to come back to know how's it to swim in a big pond.
Ons wens graag hulle wil terugkom, maar ek dink nie hulle gaan terugkom nie.
When they interact with the American people, then you become proud.